Now, I have no idea why I just thought of this in the middle of my workout, but I do still have 2 of those Yeti cups that I do want to give out to you guys. So I did put a couple new items on the merch website, new hat, a new embroidered shirt, just a couple different things you guys can check out. I got to get back in the shop and get back to my workout, but thank you guys again for all the love and support. Let me get a Yeti in your hands. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Today is exciting. If you can't tell by the thumbnail, I am heading down to overtime right now to catch up with Ovi and the guys because they have completed the race truck. It is back together now. Not so much back together. It wasn't really torn apart. It just wouldn't run with all the electrical issues due to me hooking up the new batteries backwards and frying all kinds of stuff. So I'm excited to see the truck running again, and I want to get Ovi paid up. I know he's gonna try to lowball me, but you gotta stay paid. You gotta pay the guy doing awesome, running a business. He actually did all this on overtime, honestly. That's why it took so long, because the customers come first all the time. I think he's rebuilding a transmission right now, so he's probably busy. I told him to rename the shop Overtime Transmissions, honestly, because they do a lot of transmissions down there. But come on down, guys, if you've never been down or need some work done on your vehicle. But let's get down to the shop here and see what they're up to. All right, so let's just turn on in. Oh, there's a Jeeper. Beep, beep. Anyways, guys, sorry, I was talking really fast there because the AC in my truck has not worked for 2 years. Ovi said he'll look at it for me, just got to get time. I pushed the AC button and then it doesn't get cold, so I don't know if it's the Freon or if the pump's not turning on the compressor or what have you. But there's a UPS truck following me, so maybe they got something there. Also, look at this. There's a bus. Look at that party bus, boy. Oh yeah, look at it right there. Let's just pull on in, try not to hit this puddle. Oh yeah, we'll just pull right up to the sucker here. There he is. Caught the boss man in action. Coming down. It's money time, boy. I owe you some money. Yeah. Look at that truck. I need to pull that white one in. That thing's getting twins this weekend, I heard. Guys are down here working away, sweating it out in the shop. Got a good lineup though down here. You guys hiring down here? Want some help? I'll put that together. It won't be right, but I'll put it back together. Look at this guy go. Oh, I know it's in there somewhere, boy. It's in there. All right, so we just got Ovi paid up here. A lot of money later. If you know anything about electronic equipment and stuff like that, these things are not cheap by any means. So a lot of money into this sucker just to get it back up and going. So a hard lesson learned. Do not hook your batteries up incorrectly like I did. But this right here, if you guys haven't seen it, is the 2011 Denali. I keep calling it the race truck because it is a fully built motor and trans from the previous owner. And now I am just planning on weekend warrior cruising this thing. Ovi wants to race it, obviously. There may or may not be some footage of it on a test run a couple days ago. Let's take a look. So I told you guys it does rip. I just kept watching that clip over and over again because it's super, super insane. It's got plenty of power, around 800 allegedly. I have not dynoed it. Someday we'll have to get it down and dynoed, but here she is. The next thing that's got to go, like I said, is the daily. Want to get this thing down the road to somebody. I'll probably put some new tires on it for the new owner and fix the AC, and not a whole lot needs done. So that truck will be ready to get on the market for somebody. So if you're interested at all, hit me up. Looking to get something new, maybe in the L5P or something range. Oh God, it's bright. So yeah, guys, so there's the race truck. Also, I did want to pick up the memory card from Ovi. He's been on a couple trips lately. I do not know what all's on the memory card, so I'm gonna play that footage for you next. We'll take a look at that.
Oh, shit. Shut up. Stuck into my skin.
And there you have that. I don't know. I'm trying to react to something I haven't even seen yet, which is hilarious. I'm filming this before I've even seen what's on the card, so hopefully that was cool. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Got plenty more of stuff like that coming. Obviously, I got another thing I do want to show you in the truck here for this one, so let's dig that out next. All right, so get a little wrench out here. Look, got groceries in there, so we do got to get back home with the groceries. We will do that. Sorry, babe. Just got to do this real quick for everybody. But this antenna looks super goofy, and my old one on this truck actually broke off because it kept hitting the garage door when I would pull in, and then one day it just snapped off. So, you know, we had to do it from our YouTuber's sake, so we did buy this from Enthusiast, from Duramax Jack. You guys already know him. I try to support YouTubers as much as I can. This one in particular gives us a chance to win another 800 horsepower Duramax, so that would be cool. Maybe we could have two in the fleet, one to daily and one to not daily. But let's try to open this up and see. Oh yeah, look at it. Nice little, woo, easy boy. So there it is. Look at that, even got Enthusiast on there. Grab this wrench here. Over, get on that party bus, boy. All right, let's get this sucker off and swapped out. Maybe we could even do it the YouTube way, Wanu. 1, 2, 3. All right, so there we are. Evidently, there are some bolts down in there you have to remove, because if you try to just spin this like I thought it was, all it does is spin the whole mechanism there, so that's no good. Tried to use a backup wrench down on here to hold it in place. It still did nothing, so I'm assuming those 3 bolts have to come out. So again, I did zero research on this, thought it'd be super simple. It is not, so we will come back to that later. I got cold groceries in the truck, and it is about 93 degrees out, so that is going to have to wait. We'll slide this booger back on there for now. Let's see, how are you on there, boy? Get up there. Come on down. Come on down and in. And look, my neighbor over here actually has one too. Not my neighbor in real life, but my neighbor down here at the shop. Oh, he got one. Yeah, how about that power stroke? Look at them mirrors. It's almost like they giving a high five. All right, so never mind to that for now, guys. I'm trying here. But the key to the story is the race truck is back in action, and the next thing we can do in the next couple videos is get this sucker back home and try to take care of some of that surface rust before winter hits and have a little fun with this truck like it was intended to do from the jump until I goofed it up. So last thing I'll leave you with, I'll respond to a couple comments here. I kind of get a kick out of them once in a while. I don't read too much into them. I've been supervising all types of people for the last, I don't know, 10 years or so. So I've been called it all. You guys are not going to offend me on the channel in any sort of way, and I won't take anything to heart. But if you're cool, trying to be a good person here to support, I'm definitely going to rock with you guys. If not, that's fine. Let's read a couple comments though, and I'll send you guys on your way. All right, so this one here, guys, this is a good one. This one says, especially those absurd wheels and rims. They were mad about the Denali, I guess, getting loaded on the trailer to take down here in the first place. I joked about it going to the junkyard, and they said that's exactly where it should go. I guess they weren't into the wheels. I love the wheels, the 20x4, the 20x4s, the 24x12s look super sick on there. Don't care if you don't like it or not. Everybody's got their own taste and own opinions. This other one says, ooh, I think you are brain dead. What a waste of money. Instead of throwing your money away, invest it in something that will grow your hard-earned money and not shrink it. Number one, I do invest in all kinds of things. My brother's actually a financial planner and advisor, so we put tons of money into the market, into IRAs, and I could go on and on. So yes, we already do that, and I'm investing into the trucks for content for YouTube. So yes, this is a side hustle as well, an investment if you will. So yeah, thank you for that. I appreciate that. I must be brain dead though. It's all good. What else we got? Oh, I said, who wants a good deal on the 6.0 when it's done? They said, oh, go figure. There's 3 Fords on a lift with engine problems. Laugh out loud. All junk. Why think the shops have 30 everywhere you go? 6.0s. I don't know, guys. I own 2 of the 6.0 power jokes. I love my 7.3. 7.3s are great, and 6.0s can be too. Oh, these are fun. This one's on the rough country lift. Hey, buddy, the bump stop on the back, you have it the wrong way. That's why your holes don't match up. Well, that's actually good. That could be helpful. See, these are the comments I like, guys. Help me out. If I do something wrong, don't be afraid to tell me. I can admit to it. This one, in the title it says TIS 22x12 wheels on 35s for the Jeep, and somebody said, I like the 26-inch rims. It don't even have 26s. Or are you saying that you wish it would? We could put 26s. I almost tried to convince Tori to put 26s on it. Maybe someday. I definitely want 6s for sure. This one here, I was talking about when twin bed stacks in Power Strokes were cool and popular back in the day. Maybe they still are. Somebody said 2008 wants it McDouble stacks back. What? Okay, thanks, boss. I got you. This one's talking about Ovi's shop over there. Somebody said this is like a found footage horror movie. Y'all gonna be running through the woods dodging witches on broomsticks in about a half an hour. They get mad when I stretch the footage to make it into YouTube shorts. I post a lot of shorts to help bring new followers to the channel, and apparently they didn't like that the quality was subpar, but that's all right. I try to film stuff sideways when I can. If not, I just pick it off videos I've already filmed. So anyways, guys, just having a little fun in here in the comments. I'm dying in this sun. Again, too much. Dying. All right, guys, I will finally leave you with that. I know I've been rambling a lot, but I'm just so excited to have the truck back and running. The next step, like I said, is getting it home. Maybe the next video will be us hanging out at the Cordova drag strip. This truck just missed the mark for that, unfortunately. Also, I sold the wheels that we were supposed to race with, so now we need to come up with maybe some Nitto 420s or some sort of setup. Not the 24s, though, need smaller wheels as well. So maybe if you guys got some, let me know. If not, please stick around because we got tons more content. Love y'all. Peace.